Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage, and today we're going to talk about shifters and the B&M hammer ratchet shifter. We're going to talk about installing it and what you're going to do. Now, I am doing a manual valve body, so not all instances will apply to it like mine does. So be aware of that. Now, first off, you're going to have your stock shifter. And let me set it in the car and we'll get a light on it. Now, you'll have your plate bolted on to it. And there will be 4 bolts. One here, one here, one here, and the other one is right here. And that will pull your shifter out. Now, to get your shifter out, it's going to be stuck in there because there's material on the bottom of it. See, it's sticky. So you'll grab it and you'll yank back with light pressure. Don't yank, but slowly put pressure on it until it pops loose. Now from there, you're going to go ahead and turn it on the side, and you're going to disconnect your cable, which will be this little ball, and you'll pop it off. And then here, you'll take 2 8mm screws. These are also 8mm. And you'll go ahead and remove them. And that will let your cable drop out. And then you'll take this and you'll discard it. And we'll come to this one. Now, it's reverse of installation. So you'll use your stock bolts and you'll take your 8mm bolts and screw it down into the floor. And then you will, first, make sure you connect your cable. Put your 2 bolts in your cable and in. Now mine, I didn't have all the installing hardware for mine, but I don't have the plate or anything, so my lockup and overdrive is on the switch right there. So how the B&M shifter works is we're in park right now. So I'm driving along. So I start my car, I wanna go into reverse. Pull the shifter up, go into reverse. Now you're in reverse. Neutral, drive, second, first. Now I chose this for the manual valve body so I could make accurate shifts. As you can see, it's locked out. So all I've got to do is bump, bump, bump. Now I'm in third. Well, I may have miscounted, but I'm in neutral, and then you'll pull this up and you'll go into reverse and park. It's not that hard, and it really really looks a lot better and looks clean. Over time, the springs wore down, and it's easy for me to pull them up. They were very hard, and I had to put a lot of pressure on them, but it was really thing. So this will be my ratchet style shifter for my manual valve body. And as you can see, works cleanlessly. Plus it has a nice hand grip. As you can see, it's a nice good pistol grip. Now the only complaint I can see I'm gonna have about this is it's going to be very hot in the summer. But as for all, I love it and I recommend it. But remember to like this video and to go subscribe and be savage.